We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today and pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the Week 3 online assembly for Fleetwood Primary School. You can see I'm here at school and we are so excited that this week we've been able to have children on site. Today we've got our Year 5 and 6 children joining us too. So we're going to get into this week's assembly. We look forward to spending some time together with you, and very soon we'll be all back on site together again.
Hi everybody, it's Miss Monaghan here once again, and I'm going through our weekly awards for this week. So we'll start with FM, and it goes to Ophelia, and it's for being a bright and friendly face on her return to school. From F1M, it goes to Ella for her fabulous efforts during reading groups and her willingness to help others. In 1L, it's Saxon, being enthusiastic to share in our Google Meets. In 12AM, the award goes to Amir, and it's for his fabulous efforts with his online learning. For 2M, the award goes to Abria for always putting in 100% effort in all parts of her online schoolwork. Sounds like there's a few students that are doing that actually. In 3R, the award goes to Dante for always being engaged in our morning class meets. 3-4P goes to Naz for using great mental arithmetic skills to quickly add and subtract problems in a given time. 4D, the award goes to Mackie for the wonderful tour of his bird aviaries during our morning meet. You were so descriptive and knowledgeable about your birds, and it brightened up our day. Thanks, Mackie. 4R, the award goes to Cooper, and it's for having excellent effort in his online tasks. Well done. 5C, the award goes to Marcus for always having such a bright and positive mood throughout our morning meetings. 5D, the award goes to Summer for always bringing her bright and cool personality to our Google meetings and making the morning that much better. 6G, the award goes to Logan, and it's for engaging in our online class discussions. And for 6R, the award goes to Shania. It's for her positive commitment to completing her work each day to the best of her ability. Sounds like there's lots of students that have had a great week, and some of those have now been back at school as well, and I'm sure we'll look forward to seeing the ones that we get for next week. Well done everyone.
Hi everyone, it's time to find out what next week's behaviours of the week are. And next week we have two. We have a remote learning behaviour of the week plus an on-site behaviour of the week. So I'll see if someone can explain them to you.
Hey, I was just wondering if you knew what our school-wide positive behaviour of the week for remote learners was next week.
It is we'll be responsible and respectful and keep our mute body on when somebody was talking.
Oh, thank you very much for reminding me of that. That's great. Hey, do you know what the school-wide positive behaviour is for the students who are on site next week?
Yeah, it will be respectful and include others.
Oh, thank you for reminding me about that. Excellent. So guys, what do you do to keep yourself busy during remote learning? How about we share a few things today, what you've done, and tell us all about it.
I made this for my dad's birthday, and I made it blue so it matches his room, and I made it because he wants to go to the beach.
Oh, please explain your plant.
It's called a cyclamen. We picked it out, and we got this pot from Bunnings. First Nations like artists, and it's kind of abnormal.
Oh, it's beautiful, yes. And did you pot it yourself? How you got to show us today?
So we went to our nan's, and my mum and pop went for a ride, and they saw a maggie on the side of the road. So we waited for them to get back, and then we went in the car to go pick it up, and it was sitting on a tree, just doing what this is, chirping.
How long have they had the magpie for, Riley?
About 2 months.
So can you introduce us to her?
Aurora.
She is beautiful. How old is she now?
8 months.
She? And what's the best thing about her? Got there?
I made an iPad from drawing it from a sketching set.
Wow. What a great way to keep yourself occupied during lockdown.
Started making a dress for my doll and some jumpers after.
Did you use a needle and cotton when you made them?
No. Yeah, a needle.
Yes, you've done a great job. You should be a dress designer.
Haven't you seen my birds yet?
No, I haven't.
Tons of them.
He likes talking to you.
She's usually the mum, and then you can see because of the black of the beak is actually a female, and he's a boy because he has the orange and red on him. Hi. You know what this is? A computer, yeah. Yeah. And then these ones. Say hi. 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 Yeah, they're all up on there.
They are amazing. You should have your own TV show about birds, I believe. Thank you for all of that.
Yeah.
All right, hopefully you enjoyed today's assembly. Thank you to everyone who contributed for today, and congratulations to everyone who won an award. Now today's a very special day. Our lockdown is finally over, so you can go and enjoy some of the things that you're so used to doing in your life, going to the shops, spending time with your family and friends, getting a haircut. I need a haircut. I'm sure a lot of you need a haircut too. So enjoy it, have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon.